Sa Bambang Station. Approaching Bambang Station. Bambang Station. Bambang Station. Ingatan po natin ang ating mga personal na gamit, gaya ng bag, cellphone, wallet, at maging ang stored value card o single journey ticket na gagamitin sa paglabas ng mga istasyon o terminal ng tren. Please secure your personal belongings, such as bag, cell phone, or wallet, as well as the stored value card or single journey ticket that you will be using to access the station's or terminal. Panatilihin po natin ang alisan at kaalisan sa loob ng tren. Mahigpit din pong ipinagbabawal ang kumain, uminom, at manitilihin sa loob ng tren. Please keep our train clean. Eating, drinking, and smoking are strictly prohibited inside the train. Ang susunod na istasyon ay Tayuman Station. Next station, Tayuman Station. Paparating na sa Tayuman Station. Approaching Tayuman Station. Tayuman Station. Tayuman Station. Ang susunod na istasyon ay Bloomingdale Station. Next station, Bloomingdale Station. Paparating na sa Bloomingdale Station. Approaching Bloomingdale Station. Bigyan po natin ng daan ang mga bumabang pasahero at huwag po tayong makipagunahan at tulakay sa pagsakay ng tren. Please give way to aligning passengers and do not push other passengers when boarding the train. Bloomingdale Station. Bloomingdale Station.
Meron dyan sa paligid nakikita namin.
Ang susunod na istasyon ay Abad Santa Station. Next station, Abad Santa Station.
Mga ikaw din, meron pa pa rin.